Okay.
To create a frame, use the Frame tool or the shortcut, F. Create a rounded corner for the frame. Import the product into the frame. To duplicate this frame, please press the Ctrl+D. Import the product into the frame. Select both frames and create a component set. Switch to the prototype and carefully follow the instructions for interacting with it. Switch to the design. To create a frame, use the Frame tool or the shortcut, F. Navigate to the Assets section and locate the component you created. Then, simply drag and drop the component into the frame. Change the fill color of the frame. To run a prototype, please click on the Play button.
Whoop, whoop. Here I come. Oh, here I come.